It's a great day at Equity. There's a saying that the kitchen is the heart of a home because it's one of the most used spaces for entertaining friends and family. Your kitchen may be outdated or just in need of a simple makeover. However, any amount of upgrades to a kitchen tends to offer a good return on investment. Little money is needed to rehab the kitchen and make it look top notch. Today, we'll discuss budget-friendly upgrades you can give your kitchen so it looks attractive and modern, as well as diving into the details of the renovation loan program we offer here at Equity Resources. Basic kitchen upgrades include repainting your cabinets or replacing the doors and hardware to give your kitchen an instant new look. Cabinetry typically accounts for 40 to 60% of the total cost, so if your cabinets are in good condition, this may be a good way to go. There are affordable options if you decide to completely replace the cabinetry. Shaker door fronts rather than raised panels save money. Full overlay doors are also less costly than inset style doors. Cabinetry with doors rather than drawers also pare down cost. Regarding the floor, there are various options when it comes to style, material, and affordability. Hardwood or engineered wood provides the warmth that some people want. There are increasing alternatives to ceramic tile, which can be hard on the feet. Laminates and newer types of vinyl, such as marmoleum, are becoming more popular due to their durability, easy maintenance, and sustainability, and lower price tag. Changing your wall paint color can also be a low-cost and simple way to bring a refreshing look to your kitchen. Adding a backsplash is an excellent way to add a pop of color or focus point to your kitchen. It also protects the wall from becoming stained in areas such as the stovetop, range, or behind your sink. Choices in countertops can be expensive due to material and the type of edge, but it doesn't have to be. If you want stone, look at quartz, and instead of solid oak, see if there's a wood laminate you like. Even if you don't touch the cabinets or countertops, consider replacing sinks, faucets, lighting, and appliances as part of your makeover. Updating the lighting can brighten the look of the space in your kitchen. Overhead lights, however, may not provide adequate illumination. If adding lighting under your cabinets is in your budget, that could be a positive upgrade and bring ambience to your kitchen. Adding pendant lights over your island or kitchen nook is another inexpensive solution to add visual appeal. Our renovation loan product allows borrowers to improve the property they are buying or the one they currently own. There are no restrictions on the type of improvements that can be made if they are fixed to the property and add value. For example, fences, floors, new windows, and bathrooms are acceptable. Sheds and window treatments are considered personal property and are not eligible. Additionally, this product is available to both conventional and VA loan programs. Construction on these types of loans must be complete within 6 months and allow the borrower to remain in their home while the construction is taking place. Conventional and VA both have their own specific requirements that we'll talk about later, but there are basic program guidelines we can cover first. Like our general construction loans, the builder must be approved by Equity Resources, not be a relative of the borrower, not offer self-help work, and the VA builder must be approved by Veteran Affairs. It's okay to have the work done by a national store like Lowe's or Home Depot. For conventional loans, this requires no additional approval, but the VA still needs to approve the builder. This is always a fixed rate loan and several options for your loan term and a maximum debt to income ratio of 43%. To calculate the loan amount, we use the purchase price plus the renovation bids from the contractor. This all-in price is also used to calculate the loan to value and to give the appraiser a total value of comparable sales. The appraisal will be subject to the improvements being completed, and the property must be inspected after each time a contractor draw is paid to ensure the work is progressing. It's important to note that no other home improvement work can be done during the renovation period. Any side work that's not in the contract must wait until the final inspection. Acting on other projects at the same time can cause problems with disbursements and with the final appraisal, which can cause the loan to be delayed. Let's break down guidelines specific to conventional loans. The program is available for owner-occupied and second homes. The minimum required credit score is 680. The maximum loan-to-value ratio is 95% for a primary residence and 80% for a second home. Borrowers should plan to need reserves for renovation loans, but the amount depends on the credit score and if the property will be owner-occupied or a second home. VA renovation loans have some different requirements. The property must be owner-occupied, and the borrower may have only one financed property. The minimum required credit score is 660. The maximum allowable loan to value is 100% on a purchase and 90% on a refinance. Any required reserves depend on the loan to value. If you have any questions about this product and loan program guidelines, please contact one of our mortgage specialists. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video was helpful and if you would like to see more videos on similar program topics.